And so in a nutshell, when you're building a digital twin, make sure that it's interoperable, make sure that you cater to the needs and preferences of the different data owners, some of which will have no problem sharing data publicly, far and wide, but other data owners might want to share it only with certain stakeholders, so make sure you have some sovereignty principles embedded. And the last bullet that you have there, making your digital twin relevant. So here, I guess it's the use cases and the apps that are relevant to address this point. I mentioned the solar planning app, which is relevant for energy community. Broadband, the PED district in Aarhus, they have a fairly new soul over broadband, it's called, the energy community. And of course, for them, having access to a solar panel was extremely important. So we created that based on their needs. I mentioned traffic again, that's very important, but maybe for another stakeholder group, the city planners, who realize that they cannot achieve decarbonization without decarbonizing transport, which accounts for nearly 50% of emissions, which also tells us that transport is to a significant extent still running on fossil fuels in Aarhus. So how to make it relevant, how to make digital twin relevant for different stakeholders, understand the sort of challenges that they're facing and their needs, and then create use cases and applications that will help them address their needs, whether they're experts in the city or residents who are members of an energy community.